enough about the old stuff and a quick overview of the new stuff. How do we handle it? How do we implement it? So we talked about big data, volume, variety, velocity, real time. So how do you practically implement all of that stuff? So Microsoft offers us with lots of options. And here I've listed only the 3 most popular options. So we do have some other options as well, which I haven't listed here. For example, we have HD Insight. We have Azure Analysis Services. But no, the most popular options that are used these days, they are these 3. And if you want a recommendation, I cannot give you a recommendation unless and until I ask you lots of questions. So if you're saying, hey, we have 3 options, which one I should use? I need to know your background. I need to know your organization. I need to know how you're doing things. So that is where you need to understand all of these 3 options. And then after that, decide, okay, this looks better for us. Let's go with this one. So let's talk about these options one at a time. Let's start off with Azure Services. In fact, if you do want me to mention my personal kind of opinion, this is typically 1. In fact, there's a tie. It will be very difficult to recommend whether you should only use Fabric or Databricks. They are very close. Fabric is definitely more powerful, as in it has lots of variety available. And then definitely the least sort of popular as far as these 3 is concerned is this one, Azure Services.